What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the final mini to fill the main for Lorenzo's Gretzky Messier Raz. So we're gonna go on and go live. We're live at 12:03. It's 12:03 here in Denver. I'll grab this list. We got Anders on top, David on the bottom. We'll get a fresh list. Anders on top, David on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we are going to run 3 times, and the top 3 are going to win. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2. Mikhail on top after 2. And that was in at 12:04. It is 12:04, and guys, third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Edward, Anders, and Edward. Congrats, guys. And that final timestamp was in at 12:04. It's 12:04, guys. Again, if 3 times we got Edward, Anders, and Edward.